Greetings and welcome to Raspberry Pi tutorial series. Today we will be continuing with Raspberry Pi tutorial number 10, and what we are going to see is today we are going to make a client application. But first I'd like to point out some of the mistakes that I made in the previous tutorial. So here in this line addr equal to host comma port, so I didn't put this equal to sign. Okay, and to be on the safe side I maintained some space between the variable name equal to sign and the data, as you can see here. So that's pretty much it that I did for the server. Now let's make a new client file. So we'll make that using a touch command. So let's first, okay, now we are into the desktop and we'll make the file using touch command. So touch client2.python. okay, I've made it here. As you can see, I'll open it using Sublime. Now I'll be using some copy paste code from the server here. So this I'll copy paste. Okay, mind that I would like to put the IP address of my server. So the IP address of my Raspberry Pi is 192.168.0.167. okay, and after that what I'll look to do is make a client socket. So okay, client socket equals to socket bracket, so af inet comma socket comma datagram. Okay, then we'll run into an infinite loop while true, since we are going to take multiple inputs from the client, and let's work until the client presses exit button. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to take an input. So we take it using raw input. Okay, here is the message. Enter your name. Okay, after that and we'll say that type, okay, we'll say type exit to close the program. Okay, that's done. Now we'll use the client socket and we'll send to the data to the address. Okay, then we'll check if data is equal to exit. So data equal to exit, then break. Okay, then we'll say clientsocket.close. okay, then we'll exit the program. So using os_exit, sorry, it's dot here. Now we'll save this program and we'll modify the permissions of this program using chmod +x client2.python. okay, it's done. Now we'll SSH into Raspberry Pi and modify the permissions of the server file itself, 192.0.167. okay, take my password here. I'll go into my share folder. Okay, I'll now modify the permission chmod +x server Python. Okay, now I'll execute server using Python command since we are using the Python language. Okay, it's waiting for connections now. Sorry, Python client 2. Okay, so there is some issue here, line number 10. I didn't understand what the issue might be. Okay, yes. Okay, so I'll put my name here. Let's see if we got it done. Great. Now we have done this using Python, and let's try something else. So I have a code that that takes this inputs from the network and it will store it into a file. So let me give the path of the file. Let me define the path. So path equal to so /home/py/share/name.txt. Okay. Now I'll open a file with the name file1 equal to file in bracket path comma which mode, that is W stands for write. Okay, then what I'll check if the file exists. So os.path.exists in bracket path. Okay, this is done, and we'll say that do the file exists. And we'll truncate the file. So why is truncate used? Truncate is used to clean the file, as in the data from the file will be overwritten with our data. Truncate. Okay, then we'll write the value. Now the value here is data to the file, and then we'll close. So file1 dot close. Okay, we'll say else. We'll copy this statement here. Okay, that is done pretty much. That's what we are trying to do now. Now I've saved this file. Let's try and rerun it from here. Okay, now using our Windows share option, okay, now from the Windows share option we'll see if we sent any if there is any file. So W is not defined. Okay, let's try and create a file first. Oh, just a minute. Name.txt. Okay, we'll see if file. So we'll rename it to something else, name.txt. Okay. Come on, man. Waiting for connections. get why is it making. So it did get the data, but it doesn't work for some reason. Let's try once more. Oh, getting what's the problem here. Let's see what we get. So, write a file in Python. Okay. So it's just space. Oh, I'm so sorry here. Sorry about that. Here is my mistake. So I didn't put this inverted comma. Let's try this again. And okay, let's exit this. Shall put a new. Okay. Got the message. I don't know why has no attributes dot exists. So is file. Is file. Try again. Okay, it shows that file exists. Now let's check if our data is written to that file. Oh, no, nothing. There should be something. I don't know why this isn't working. Come on, man. Anyways, now since you can see that time is going on, let's continue this in the next tutorial. Again, if I suck, please hit the dislike button. If you like what I did, please hit the like button. If you feel it's awesome to explore these things, please hit share. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.